newscast. Meanwhile, the station front caused flooding and landslides in Portland, St. Anne and St. Mary today. In Hope Bay, Portland, persons were marooned after heavy rains lashed that parish. The Swift River overflowed its banks, streets were flooded, and motorists and residents could not leave their communities. TVJ Jeline Pearson has more.
Motorists and pedestrians braved high water levels. Others were stuck in the traffic for hours. This was what Hope Bay Main Road looked like this morning. Councillor for the St. Margaret's Bay Division, Stephen Williams, explains the situation.
Well, right now, as probably you're aware, at least 3 communities have been adversely affected. In fact, they are marooned as we speak. Those communities are Coopers Hill, Dumfries and Durham Gap. No vehicular traffic can neither go in nor out. The road is blocked, several land slippages, heavy land slippages along the Hope Bay to Chipsall Main Road and also along the Golden Vale to Coopers Hill Road.
He also mentioned that he had equipment in place.
Equipment are on standby, however, due to other blockages on other roadways leading into those communities, the equipment operators are not able at this time to get in.
Meanwhile, a resident of Canewood in Portland said she lost everything in the flood.
Everything in the house, everything. Settee, bed, washing machine, mash up, everything. The mattress, them, soak and something. And it's not the first. I mean, they ask for help from everybody. You know, see Mr. Henry. None of them come look and say, go and make them try to help you. Nothing at all, that's just me. Neighbors come to move out some clothes and so, but everything left in there. Go in there, you see. It's them that turn over.
Miss Rod said she had to send her son to a neighbor to stay. Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.